Hello everyone. In this video I will discuss with you all about the recent pre-board exams for grade 10, how the children wrote the paper at home and they sent it to school, and we teachers are correcting papers in different places using internet facilities. So here first the school shared the question paper through Google form like this. You can have a look. This question paper was prepared and shared to students. The link was given to students on that particular day, and the exact time the student can open through the link given to them, and each student has been given based on the admission number. Each student has been given an email ID, okay, from the school. They can open the question paper or the link if they are logged into that particular email ID given by school. So exactly at that particular time on that day, they would be able to open this question paper, what I am showing you right now, and the question paper is here, and it goes on till page number 7. This is the social science question paper, and the children have written this exam for 80 marks, full paper, a board pattern paper. So they were asked to write all the answers on ruled paper at home within that time duration. After that, they were supposed to convert all those papers that after taking photograph to convert into PDF, a single PDF. And on this page I can show you, you can see that add file is given here towards the bottom of this page, so they could add that PDF file where all the papers photograph are there. That is the answer sheets given by them. So after that, the school, our exam department, after receiving the PDF files from all the students, okay, we have around more than 160 students in from 6 different sections. They submitted, and after receiving all the PDF, our exam department has shared through Google Drive to all of us. We teachers have been also given the email ID, school email ID, okay, not our personal email ID, so that this has been shared through Google Drive. And I am just showing you now. This is the message or I received from the exam department. So this is on my Gmail, so I'm opening it right now. I'm opening it. So on Drive it shows social science answer paper. So I'm just clicking on this, double click. Then all the students' names, all the PDF files are available right now. PDF files are available. So I have decided to go for correction. I am doing for 40 marks history and civics part, and I have we have decided that I will be doing in red pen, and we have another ma'am here who teaches geography and economics. On the same paper, she will be correcting with green pen, and directly opening PDF and correcting is not possible, so we have taken help of something called Kami extension after downloading, and with help of that, now I'll be opening one file right now. I'll be opening one file for to show you how I'm doing the correction. So one file I'm just opening. I have already open the file. So this is the PDF, so I cannot just use any pen, reading pen to correct. So first what I have to do, I have already attached Kami extension after downloading in my system. So here something is mentioned, open with. PDF is open now, but if I want to use to annotate, that means to go for correction, putting marks, etc. So I have to open with. First one I can all of you can see, annotate with Kami. So I will click that. So when I click, then the same PDF file will open on this platform through Kami extension. Now I will have the option of choosing a pen, correcting, and saving it. The same file will be also opened by the ma'am who will be correcting geography and economics part. I will be correcting history and civics or democratic politics part. So left side you can see it's written drawing. So from that there are so many colors. I can take the pen, but I have chosen, here is mentioned stroke thickness 1. That would be enough, the thickness is enough. So I'm clicking now red. So I can do correction with mouse, but it won't be comfortable with. So I am using right now the pen tab. So with help of pen tab, it will be easier for me to put mark or correct. But with mouse also we can do, but it won't be proper. So now I'm going to do the correction with help of my, not with help of my mouse. For mouse I'm just scrolling up and down, but I'm putting mark, putting tick mark with help of, I have got a pen. Okay, on the pen tab I am just with help of pen tab I'm doing that. So right now this is the section A. This is social science paper for 80 marks. So first part, section A, we have 1 mark question. So question 1, A, B and C. For me all 3 are correct, so I'm putting mark right now. Correct, this is also correct, this is also correct. Then I'm going to, for me, the 3 more 1 mark question here. Yes, question number 9. Yeah, it's also correct, and 10 also correct, 9, 10 and 11. So I have already opened the question paper. I can check 11 question. If I have any doubt right now, I can see the question paper. Question number 11, it says yes, the answer should be B. Question is here, so I'm coming back to that. Okay, this is also correct. So next I'm moving to section B. Here first question I need to correct various problems faced by Indian weavers in 19th century. Yes, this is that import duty. The import duties were removed on British product. is also correct. Then yeah, whatever answer is given by this or mentioned by this child, okay, so all the points are correct. So this is for 3 marks. So I can he has written enough for awarding 3 marks. So he gets 3 marks here. Next question. This is about civil disobedience movement, how it is different from non-cooperation movement. Okay, point 1 is correct, point 2 is also correct, point 3 is also correct. So he gets 3 marks, full 3 marks here. Then there is one more question of 3 marks, that is question number 20. Democracies produce an accountable, responsive and legitimate government. So here, yes, point number 1 is correct. Point number 2, point number 3, legitimate government is people's own government. Okay, elected representatives. Okay, all points are correct. So he gets full 3 marks. Next, moving to section C. Here a big paragraph was given. From that the MCQ questions were framed. So here all A, D, B, D, yeah, all are right here. So he gets yeah, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Okay, and next 25, question number 25 here, C, A, C, D. C, 25, I want to check the question 25 right now. It is right in front of me. I have kept it open. 25, yes, B, A, yeah, C, A, C, D, C, A, C, D. Yeah, this is also, all 4 are correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So next is section D. In this section, I will be correcting 3 5-mark questions. Okay, and for 5-mark questions, whatever. Okay, first question is about sense of collective belongingness. Yes, about, he has mentioned about icons, symbols, paintings, etc. Then folk songs, ballads, etc. Then using flag. Okay, and reinterpreting Indian history, India's past. So he has written enough points to be awarded full mark, 5 marks. So he gets full marks here. My next question is also, next comes political parties. Okay, functions of political parties. So all the points are correct. So there are many points he has written correctly. Yes, I could see. So he gets 5 points, 5 marks here, full 5 marks. Now coming to next question, various challenges faced by political parties. Okay, point number 1, lack of internal democracy is the correct point. Then dynastic success, and one more, very good, the money and muscle power, another point. Then no meaningful choice. So all the points are available. Okay, there is no need to deduct, okay, mark at all. So he gets full marks for this question also. And the last one is from map question. So in history, 2 places were asked to mark 2 places based on the clues given in the question paper. So one is Calcutta is correct, and Ahmedabad one more correct, so he gets 2 marks. So that's all. So he gets a 5 mark question, 3 questions, all he got correct, full marks. Before that also 4 mark question, 2 pluses he got full. Then 3 mark question, 3 questions were there, so all 3 also he got correct and full mark. And coming to the 1 mark question, all are correct, so he gets full marks. So I am mentioning here history, civics, full 40 out of 40. So this paper will be opened again by ma'am, and my marking will be there, and she will be marking with a green pen, like a same manner through, and it will be saved and it will be there in our drive, in her drive, okay, Google Drive, in my Google Drive. So this has been shared by school. So this is how I corrected. Then after correcting, putting the final mark, okay, he got 40 out of 40. Right now I have to save on top part towards the right. There is an icon, so I click here, it shows save now. Here also clicking, it is showing saving. So I have to wait for a few seconds. So this is done. So I am doing once again to make sure that it is saved properly. So if I have any doubts, I can go for one more time. So this is how I correct the answer sheet online. So if our internet speed is not good, it is very difficult, because through Kami opening the PDF file may take time. But here I have been provided with our school Wi-Fi, and it works much better, faster. So it is easier to open immediately and do the correction. So after doing this, what I can do, so this file already saved, so I on top all these files are open, so I can close this one. If I close, the main PDF is also shown, that I have to go back, so that in my drive I can see, okay, the PDF files of more than 100 students are here, so I can choose any file to click and can go for correction in the same method. This is how okay, we are doing the correction of our pre-board paper. All the teachers are doing in the same method only, from their respective okay, places. So I am staying in the school campus, so I am sitting in one of the classrooms. I am doing with help of, I have been provided with a desktop, so I am doing that. So this is how we do our paper correction during this these days when we do not have the offline exams, and we do not have the hard copies of the exam papers. That's all. Thank you everyone. Bye.